Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your age on TikTok. Alright, first tap on your profile on TikTok, then tap on the three lines right in the top and then go to settings and privacy. From here tap on account and from here tap on user information. And now if you can see, there is no way how we can change our age. So we need to do the following thing. Alright, go back and go back. And then go to report a problem. From here tap on account and profile, and from here tap on editing profile. Tap on other, and from here tap on is your problem solved? No. And then tap on need more help. Now we are landing in a TikTok help desk, and now it's important to write down the next sentence. It's important to tell them that you are older than the age that is now standing in your TikTok profile, and that you can send them your ID or passport when it's necessary. But please do this only when they are asking for it, because otherwise sometimes it's not necessary to send it. Then send this. Then they will tell you, share with us details on what you need to help with. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Submit a ticket. Do it again, just right here, and do submit. Alright, now we send our information to the TikTok help desk, and in a while someone will help us with our problem. This is how it works. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And thanks for watching.